The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, an outside temperature display, high-intensity discharge headlights, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.